Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change language in your Lenovo K12. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Lenovo K12 and you are wondering how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here system. After click over system, you're going to find here language and import. After click over language and import, you're going to find here languages. From here, if you decide to add new language, you need to click this plus icon and then you're going to see there's a bunch of languages available. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to set this Bangla and I would like to set Bangladesh. Now you can see I had add. Now I want to make this language my phone default language. I'm just holding it and bring it up and my phone automatically going to be appear the new phone language. Now if I go back and you can see I successfully changed my phone language English to Bangla. Actually, here's the things why I made this. Maybe by mistakenly your phone language is changed or somehow you want to make the English. Obviously around the world everybody, most of the people using their smartphone with an English language. So here's the things I'm going to share it to a simple trick. Even if you don't know that particular language currently have in phone and you want to make it English, here's a trick we're going to share it to. I'm going to follow up with the icon trick to change the language to English. First of all, you're going to see this is the gear icon in your phone, which is the setting. But if it is not available in your home screen, you can go all apps and then you're going to you need to find out that this is the gear icon. So I'm going to click over this gear icon. After click over there, you're going to see a screen appear just like this. You just scroll all the way down and then you're going to see an icon just like this, which is the system icon. So you have to click here and then you're going to see another icon, which is the arrow world icon. So you have to click over on it and then we're going to see another icon, which is the language icon. We know this is using in Google Translator, so obviously we know this is the language, so we're going to choose over on it. After click over on it, if you want to set English, you can easily bring it there. If it is English not available, you can go click this plus icon and find out the English language you want with the reason you want. So after that, you can easily change your phone language. If it is not English, you can easily find out. Now I want to make English, so I have already English, so I'm just hold it and bring it up or there. So within this trick you follow, you're going to simply change your phone language to English if it is not available English. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.